This cute microphone is very beginner friendly. It uses a simple USB connection, so you just have to plug it into your computer. By the way, I'm currently recording with a microphone so you can hear how it sounds. And honestly, I've already received so many compliments while using it in calls with my friends. On the front, you have a touch mute button, which is very practical while gaming or in calls. You also have a gain control, so you can easily adjust your microphone volume depending on your likings. Overall, I think the FIFINE A6V is a great microphone for gaming and everyday use. It sounds clear, it's very easy to set up, and the RGB design makes it a perfect addition to an aesthetic desk setup. And if you're looking for a simple and good-looking USB microphone, this one is definitely worth checking out. Thanks again to FIFINE for sending me this gorgeous microphone. You can find the product linked in the description below.